taken. Please search for it! I did that to your back! You're charged with a murder. It'll be okay. Right, gents. So, you're all going to join us on this wonderful murder case, okay? The first person of interest that we're looking into is going to be a question mark Ben. We believe Paddy is a bullshit surname. My God, who took that? Mate, that is not done him justice there, like fucking hell. Okay, so this is a guy called J-Rock. He was a member of the Bloodhounds. Approximately 26 hours, 48 hours ago, police officers responded to reports of shots fired near Franklin Avenue and East 9th Street. Upon arrival, officers located a parked sedan with visible ballistic damage to the driver's side window, windshield and front and rear doors. Inside the vehicle, officers found known Bloodhounds member Jamal J-Rock Harris slumped in the driver's seat with extensive gunshot wounds. Witnesses reported a dark-coloured sedan approached Harris's vehicle moments before the shooting. Multiple suspects inside the passenger vehicle reportedly opened fire before fleeing the area at high speed, shouting WCL, which is pretty fucking convenient, don't you believe? Yeah? So we're going to launch a investigation into that. We're going to try and fucking pull them in and see what we fucking can get from that, yeah? Bravo, stand by for QRF. Yeah, so if Alpha get fucking slapped about,
out the door.
listen, I've got faith, gentlemen. Yes, I believe Alpha's got what it takes to bring in little Ben. Mitch has been all right, boys. Alpha, Bravo, stand 2. We've got an officer taken. All right. Not for long. Mitch. They shouldn't have took Bravo 5. Alright, gents, fucking go and touch base with Bravo 3.
They have an entry point here where you can see that type of silver sort of shine from the airflock. That will be an immediate left door, which then opens into a large complex room. From that intelligence, the DEA will make a strike package because no doubt we've got to get the bastards that killed my friends.
Yeah.
Check.
Right, gentlemen, you red notice warrant for Nico Caruso. Go and get him, boys.
I'll make it realistic.
Yeah.
No, go for it, go for it. We're in tree. Let's fucking do it.
Alright, boys, at least.
No.
No. It'll be okay.
Mummy!
Mummy's coming. Mummy's coming.
I want my mummy!
Mama milk.
I want my mummy!
Put it down here. Baby.
Did you get it? Yes, I got it.
Fucking hell.
What age that channel are you running?
Draggy. There you go. Hey,
Lay him out.
This is Alpha.
Alpha.
Push in! Boys, secure the building!
Alpha.
Send message over. Top, this is Alpha G5 secured. Responding SSE.
got a friendly taking fire, 54.
This is Bravo 5, requesting QRF towards the yellow building, over. Possible HVT, detained, over. This is Alpha, repeat your last. Need QRF to the yellow building, over.
Great! Fucking hell. Fucking hell. That is a tight corner.
You watch your window as well.
Yeah. Okay, that's window secure. Yep. I've got the door cornered.
Hold the door closed. Wait, put your feet against it.
Bravo team, I'm at HQ with a
Shit,
HVT.
fuck.
Carry on your business outside. I'll be with you shortly.
Go to the door.
We have your leader!
Yeah, just put your foot against the door.
So I suggest you ground your weapons, come out with your fucking hands up!
Just hold it shut.
It would be a silly mistake for you to try and even fuck with us, sir!
Sorted. Problem solved.
Yeah, swing the fucker open. Hey, boys, get set up here. Keep the Boys, we got someone coming up from the doorway!
Don't do that to your glass.
Yeah.
It's already cracked.
Door left.
Stink
Oh,
of
shit.
poo! Yes, that's it.
Got one.
Ah. I mean, we're trying to, but you two are being pussies and not opening doorways for us. Listen, right? Listen.
Listen.
I'm guessing you are the second man in charge. Not even? Okay, well that's marvellous. Well, anyway, we have your boss. So, if you would like to just come out, because you're fucked without him anyway, that would be marvellous. Yeah, just come out, hands up. Why would we do that? We've got you trapped, you fucked it. You can't do drug drops, you can't do anything. You're basically fucked it.
Smoke themselves.
Okay.
Smoke.
We can hold it all day.
They just smoked themselves out.
No, leave the door open, leave it open. You're fucked. You can't do shit.
Hello, I'm back from my dinner.
Hello, Zach. Say that again, sorry. 5 kilograms.
We're going to strap them down.
Kilos. Where are the 5 kilos? I'm listening. Goodbye, sir. Hey, last man on that door. Last man on that door.
Yeah. Oh, we're falling back.
Peel left. Peel left. Peel left.
All call signs Echo 5 RTB.
Back.
No, I said, is this John?
I'm talking to your agent.
You said yes? So technically...
Right, gentlemen, we are after, unfortunately, we have them in custody, but the new fucking evidence only just come to light, okay? This is regarding the murder of 2 unidentified suspects. Detective Rob DeSoto, he's currently on leave in Japan. Detective DeSoto and units from Major Crimes Task Force responded to an abandoned industrial yard behind the 1800 block of Mercer Ave, following reports of possible gunfire. Upon arrival, officers located 2 unidentified Hispanic males lying on the ground with extensive blood pooling beneath their bodies. Okay, gentlemen, there's the vehicle. They're the members. We are suspecting the members are WCL crime fucking gang members, okay, because they're in all blue. Evidence has come out of this individual. We believe that to be Marcus Salazar. We had him in custody earlier, but we let him go. We didn't have this evidence until he just come to light. So we are going to go and execute a warrant for the arrest of Marcus Salazar. I'll sign this one. Yes, I got it. Right, gentlemen, we're going to fucking bomber-clot him.
Bomber-clot.
Warrant, this warrant. Stay where you are. Stay where you are. Come down there. Contact! Push him round, get to those!
You're on the vehicle.
Put them down over that side!
Careful the door and windows. They open the door and windows.
Through the side! Sorry! Yeah, sure.
Careful the windows. They...
If you go towards the door, if you go towards the door, right there, it's steady. Ready? Yeah. Goes back to your left. 3 stacks behind you. Yeah.
Can't open it from this side.
No, we'll have to wait for him to
Open it.
dead end. Or do we bang on it and see if they open?
No.
What?
Oh well. I'll get through.
One door in, one door out.
Yeah.
Just stack in. Push, push, push. Back in.
One down left! One down left!
Go on. Now. Oh, that bun. Sorry, it's alright. Follow it up. Follow it up, boys. Back.
Did that man go in?
Fucking hell.
Sorry! Push in! Oh, please, good forward! Please, good forward!
Fucking hell. Clear. Pushing.
Good. Got him.
That was a lovely shot.
Alright, what we got in here?
Little bastards in our
Ah, boys, squad round.
Oh, what's that? Oh, I ain't knowing that, bro.
Ah.
We go shopping.
Anyone got SSE?
We go shopping.
2 years. You finally used on Rush your woman again.
Do you want a bag, please, or shall I keep it in this bag?
What's in that?
The load of coke.
Chop on in there. Make it official.
Yeah, exactly. Got 4 bags. Oh, fucking hell, what the hell's going on here?
We're in contact. What's happening? What's happening? Yeah.
We're in contact, we're in contact.
Yeah, boys, fuck him up! Who's shooting?
Put a bullet in him, shut his mouth.
What colour?
What colour? What colour we got?
Wait, what colour are they? Mikey! Mikey! You can't go that way, you can't go that way.
Fucking saucy. Go, 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 go.
Just gone to go get our daily meal deal.
What's in the meal deal? Hey! What's in the meal deal? Come here.
1, 2.
Hey,
You, come here.
nah, mate, it was your meal deal, now it's not anymore, it's ours now.
Oh, hello. Come talk to me about the meal deals quick. I don't want to talk to this guy, he's forward. Don't put me in the firing line, Jesus.
Hey, the meat shield.
Oh, you bitch.
Ah, shit.
Yeah,
Suits.
4 people walk down that way.
Oh.
In the window.
Was that a death bar? Contact rear. Shit. Window there. Windows down! I got him! Shit, come. Good shot. One down. Moving. Good mate. Clear. Dragging in. 10, 9, 8, 7. I swear this is like the most intense Tesco meal deal delivery I've ever done yet. This way. You good? Yeah. 2, 1, moving! Oh. Yeah, okay, at least we've got all the bricks back.
So we're informed by our informants that a Black Hand HVT is currently at their base, so we decide to conduct another raid.
Needs to be cleared first. Yeah, copy. As soon as you call it clear.
Wait, you didn't shoot, did you? Sorry, mate.
Line up purple stuff.
That is for grenades, Sam. Bring it. Stop him. Stop him. Close the grenades, Sam. Yeah, stop please. Oh boy.
One down.
HVT.
Yep, Bravo priority, jackpot. RTB.
Who got the
Jackpot, RTB.
jackpot back to base? Pull back. Go, go, go.
Whoa!
AliExpress jewelry, got on.
Come on, Tom.
In the face.
Put that BBJ to use.
Tell you what, it's a strong foot. I thought you were trying to go grenade in the ring.
Great! Here now.
So fucking kick! Awesome! Drag him in! Fucking taser the guy! Taser! Taser! Hey, fucking try it again and be re-energized, you understand? Stand up! You gotta stand up! Interrogation!
Oh my god!
Never a fucking million years!
Hey, just watch his back. Yeah. This is fine. He's gonna photo this. Hey boys, interrogation room.
Boys, just getting down.
Down.
All on the table. Let's just fucking get him on the floor. Right, let's get him systematically.
His knees as well.
There you go. Got some gas packed in my box.
Should have brought me leg restraints. Well, the last time you seen him, you were like that. You look familiar? No? No comment? How about this? No comment? No. Not familiar? No comment. In retaliation for this. So, he'd sustained multiple gunshot wounds from a 12-gauge shotgun and was pronounced deceased at the scene by paramedics. Funny, is it? Funny? No comment. No comment. Okay, well, I mean, it actually looks like there's a tattoo there, doesn't it? It actually does, yeah. Right at the back.
We've got fingerprints, we've got photos.
So we having that this is you and your shotgun? And this is you making entry to the apartment complex? And that is you outside number 5, Old Michael Boy's door? What are we saying? No comment. Yeah, he's done this a lot.
Yeah, he's doing this awesome.
No. Oh, no.
Is there a wedding this weekend? Is there a wedding? There is a wedding this weekend. Right, so at least we know that was true.
Yeah. Are you not invited to the wedding?
No comment.
No comment.
No comment.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Nothing about the wedding?
Not invited to the wedding, eh? Damn, you are not important, don't I? Shit.
I don't know who he is. I've never seen none of this.
He was winning.
So what?
So you went into the shotgun. He was winning. He defended himself.
So what were you doing after that door? No comment? You? Is it not you?
It's cool.
That will probably not go to call, mate, to be honest. Should we ask the dog?
So we're going to go ahead and charge you with the murder of Michael Caruso. We could make this a little bit easier. 20! Just one go.
He is.
Would you do me a favour? Nico Caruso is being charged with murder. Last chance, Nico?
Yeah, mate.
The night.
Deal, no deal?
No, fair enough.
Nico Caruso, you're charged with the murder of Mick Caruso, contrary to common law, that on the 9th of April 2026, in the county of, where the fuck we are now, you've murdered Miko, whatever his fucking name is, Caruso. You don't have to say anything, very hard offence, you're doing it now, tell me you later will in court, anything you do say they didn't evidence. You've got any replies to the charges? Bailiff, write that down.
With a smiley face.
May God have mercy on your soul, sir.
Nico, you are free to go. You've been detained.
The custody sergeant is going to grant you bail.
Under the revelation, this is an airsoft event.
So after the interrogation, a load of us decided to get together just to head out back into the streets and just to make sure that law and order is upheld.
That's it in there. Red.
Got a lot of shots there. Lose.
What think you go?
Reds. Fuck.
Blues down there.
Hit.
Oh. Medicin back in.
Yellow's on their con there, Bob. Engaging up.
One down.
Apparently them lot are just shooting on side.
Mag. Right, keep suppressing. Dragging. 10, 9.
That little house to have
Alright, perfect.
Go through, go for this back door and right on the running. Yeah. Oh my god, they got something on as well. Oh, you got what?
Have you got catching in the swarm?
On you.
These boys want to do a joint raid on the others' wars.
Sure?
All clear, boys.
Right, let's fucking move.
Is it?
You're clear. I think you've pushed them back in their building, so. Hello, boys. Okay.
Push up and left. I'm not looking for a mag. Put a grenade in your pocket then. That, I'm not looking for a mag.
Watch those reds sitting behind them, boys.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Wait. I don't know whose friends are foe.
Wait. I was medicing you, mate. We fucking hate these yellows. We thought we'd help.
Back door's locked.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Like locked from the inside or the outside?
Inside.
Officers, I've got smoke grenades. They will out.
Go! Go!
Right, they can open.
In.
Open the window for you guys.
Is that I beat you to it, mate?
My officers, I've got cannon fodder right here. Let him through. He'll go. He'll go. Let him through. He'll go. Anything for the officers!
In. Move.
We just need to fucking push.
What's alive? I don't know what's alive.
Need more pyro. Oh shit!
Damn.
Oh mate, that was fucking excellent. Oh, no kill. Oh, that's gonna hurt. Well, because a grenade. Grenades instant kills, so they've got to get out of the way. Yeah, sure.
What the fuck just happened there?
I don't know, all I heard was get the reds and a bunch of people go running.
Have we made friends with... We all day, we've had 2 mates in yellow all fucking day.
Is what? Keep an eye on him, mate. I don't fucking trust him as far as I'm concerned.
Who the fuck are we engaging?
Reds.
Why are we engaging the Reds now?
The minute he kills off that door, I think we smash him from this side. No. We're here now, yeah? What do you mean, no? I was on the last road.
We're, oh yeah, I know, I remember you. Bloody.
We got told to come and help. Huh? I don't trust standing this close.
I don't know what the hell's going on, but I know
I'm
gonna go with my boys. Love you too, bro.
Apparently, blues are about to do a big
I forgot about Blue. I forgot about that guy, to be honest. I haven't seen him in a bit. After we fucking decimated him in the first like hour.
Yeah, true.
Like that.
Contact rear!
Contact rear yellow!
Alright, yellow's a hostile again, okay. Alright, fuck. Oh.
If they want to hit, half their team's fucked off.
Look at the Raiders! Take the Raiders!
Alright, fuck it.
Fucking get them, boys.
You want to fucking engage us? We'll go off. Oh, sorry, mate.
They're in the trees.
Jump right! You're 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. 3 of them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
You gotta. But you.
What?
Are you alive or are you dead?
I'm just coming in to spawn though.
Alright.
Well, I've just come in, yeah, he just shot me in the gun.
Fuck it. Boys, we got 4 coming in.
Pull the door open from that side, I'll be standing here.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
I'm not going to strap. They want to shoot their own man.
Hello's coming in.
Yellows, come on. Hey, fucking. They shot my ass as I ran into help.
There's fucking DA up there, like.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cheers.
Where's that?
Where's the red one? No, he's not.
Mate, the red's been with us the whole entire time.
He's fucking. No, grab him. Red, any reds, fucking grab him.
Alright. Boys. Apparently red's a hostile now.
Boys, just hoping you guys out. Oh,
Oh shit, what the fuck?
Don't try and move, mate. Don't try and move. Don't try and move.
I'm not being taken.
Sorry.
You're
lucky I'm going for her. You motherfucker! I'm fucking stuck in mum! Your fucking little kid's getting fun! Pirate!
Alright, mate. Sorry, mate, not taking any risks right now. I'm taking this out. You can hold it.
I'm not moving, I've been...
I just want to clear it. Make sure it's clear. There you go.
Contact door!
Does anybody have any... Who's got cuffs?
Mate, urgent assistance, Joe. Oh, units, merge, please.
Hey guys.
Oh, yeah? That's fine, mate, just don't use it.
My safe word pineapple.
Can I rewind my back?
Whoa!
Whoa!
That's not fucking allowed!
We got back door.
Karen, you good?
You ain't shit. Yeah, but look your mum takes my fucking back shots, mate. You check fucking guns. You think I'm that old?
Urgent assistance, yellow fog being held down by yellow combatants. Red, HPT believe is actively resisting officers.
I ain't doing shit. Yeah. Oh! We're going for a rodeo, baby! Rodeo! You ain't shit! What is this cake?
On the end of the table.
Oh, Karen, you're right in the light end.
Oh, I'm so scared! Oh, he's gonna electrocute me! I did the fucking thing at the fair, man. That don't mean shit.
Oh, yeah, you're so good.
Are your guys' body cams on? I fucking knew it!
Now everyone switched them off for this.
What?
Body cams
Is that my special check? Body cams come off.
Now turn over.
What's going on my hands?
I'm literally
Boys, listen up. The plan being, we're going to take him, and we're going to take him.
Yeah.
The yellows are going to speak to their fucking brethren at the door. They're going to give us safe passage. Once them two are gone, we're going to fucking go.
Yeah.
Right, mate, fucking take him and the HVT. Let's go.
Is he also HVT? Oh, fuck. That's my one. That's my one. That's all my shit. That's
fucking come on, boys, just get out the door.
Oh, let's get fun with me.
Shut up.
Boys, let's get a gun in front of him.
Oh, great.
You tell me when.
Yeah, let's just go now. Is he fucking shooting at us?
yeah.
Can I help?
Yellow fucking leader, do you want to tell your brethren to fucking start?
Let me go out there then, we've got the way. We've got the way.
Salazar, get a fucking grip of your men, will you?
I'll have the lot of me empty shelter. Right, stop. There we go, Jen. Stop. Move. But he's alive.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I'm just gonna walk. Start walking. Keep an eye on the. Where's the red? Oh, great.
Can't
see shit, I'm gonna be honest. Whoa!
Oh! Contact rear.
Yeah, he's good,
Oh my god.
And that was Op Ready or Not. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.